Welcome back to the computer application class 8. In this part of the video, we will continue your topic networks. In this video, we will discuss about wireless transmission media. Wireless transmission media also sends the information through signals from one location to another location. Many people uses wireless transmission media in these days because it is more convenient. When we are using physical transmission media, that time we have to install cables for transferring the data. But in wireless transmission media, we don't have such requirement. There are various wireless transmission media. They are infrared, broadcast radio, cellular radio, microwaves, and communication satellites. First, we have infrared. Infrared is a wireless transmission media which uses infrared light waves to transfer the data, and mostly this technology is used in your remote systems. Whenever you're using remote, that time you are using your infrared technology. Infrared used with computers, so like your wireless keyboard or your wireless mouse, they all are connected through the infrared technology. Next we have broadcast radio. Broadcast radio is used to distribute radio signals through the air over long distance, mostly through the cities or through the countries. The best example of broadcast radio is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi communication. Next we have cellular radio. Now, cellular, with the name itself, I believe you can understand that this technology is going to deal with your mobile network, right? So, cellular radio technique is used for mobile communication. It is in the form of broadcast radio only. Various categories of cellular transmission media is 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G. And these days you are very much familiar with these terms 2G, 3G, 4G network. So that all 2G, 3G, 4G network comes under your cellular radio transmission media. Next we have microwave wireless transmission media. Now, microwave wireless transmission media is basically your earth-based dish, which uses antennas and other equipments to transfer the data by using microwave communication. It mostly used in wide open areas, mostly in deserts or lakes or in oceans. We are using your microwave transmission media to transfer the information from one device to another device. Next we have communication satellite. The most important wireless transmission media, especially in these days, is your communication satellite transmission media. Communication satellite transmission media is a space station that receives microwave signals from earth-based station. Now, earlier we learned about microwave, where we learned about that microwave is your earth-based dish. Communication satellites receives a signal from earth-based stations and strengthen them that signals, and afterwards broadcast the signals back over the wide area of any number of earth-based stations. The examples of communication satellite is your television or weather forecasting, video conferencing, GPS, internet connections. That all comes under the category of your communication satellite. In this video, we discuss about your infrared technology, which is used infrared light waves to transfer the information from one system to another system, and mostly this technology is used in your remote systems and wireless keyboard and mouse. Next we discuss about your broadcast radio. Broadcast technology use radio signals to transfer the data, and the best example of broadcast radio is your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi communication. Afterwards, we discuss about your cellular radio. Cellular radio technology is used in your mobile communication, and the various categories of cellular radio transmission media is 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G. Afterwards, we discuss about your microwave transmission media. Transmission media uses microwave stations to transfer the data, and mostly they are used in wide open areas, mostly in deserts, lakes and seas, oceans. That all areas are mostly covered with the microwave transmission media. And in the end, we discuss about your communication satellite. Communication satellite is your space station that receives the signals from microwave signals and strengthen them. Afterwards, they send back that signals to the various earth-based station, so the information can be easily transferred. And the examples of communication satellite is weather forecasting, video conferencing, GPS, internet connections and radio broadcasts. Similarly, n number of examples you can also mention while writing the answer of communication satellite. I hope the communication transmission media is clear to all of you, both physical and wireless transmission media. That's all for this. In the next part of the video, we will discuss about various terms which are related to internet. Thank you.